In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an advanced search in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever struggled to find a specific email in a busy inbox, this feature can make a huge difference. By using Outlook's advanced search tools, you can narrow down results quickly and locate exactly what you're looking for with much greater accuracy. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook and click inside the search bar at the top of your mailbox. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that a new tab labeled Search appears in the ribbon. This tab gives you access to a variety of tools that help refine and improve your search results. Next, move toward the right side of the ribbon and click on the three dots to reveal more options. From there, hover over Search Tools. This section contains several advanced features that allow you to perform more detailed searches. One of the options you'll notice is the indexing status. This feature becomes especially useful if you have a large mailbox with many emails. It shows how many items Outlook is currently scanning, helping you understand how long your search might take and whether all items have been included. You'll also see options for selecting different locations to search. This allows you to choose where Outlook should look for your emails, such as your current mailbox, archived folders, or other connected data sources. Keep in mind that some locations, like online archives, may only be available if you are using a Microsoft 365 account. Now, click on Advanced Find. This will open a detailed search window that gives you much more control. Inside this window, you can enter specific keywords and define exactly where Outlook should look, such as in the subject line, message body, or sender field. You can also combine multiple conditions to make your search even more precise. Additionally, you can choose what type of Outlook items you want to search for. This includes emails, calendar, events, contacts, tasks, and more. If needed, you can also browse and select a specific folder to search within by using the Browse option. Once you've set all your criteria, click Find Now to start the search. Outlook will then filter through your mailbox and display the results that match your conditions. This is where indexing can again be helpful, as it indicates how many items are being processed. You can also return to Search Tools and open Search Options to customize how Outlook performs searches. Here you can adjust indexing settings, choose search locations, include additional folders like deleted items, and even change how results are highlighted. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.